I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel chapter 4 simulation training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please add me for your weekly assignments, add me for your weekly quizzes and add me for your complete course. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will handle your all assignments, all simulation training, midterm and final exam, and I will provide you A+ grade in your complete course. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our training to solve it step by step. Question number 1 is that display worksheet in the page break preview. Okay, simply click on page break preview. Okay, click cell A2 and insert page break. Okay, simply we will click on cell A2 and then we will insert page break. Okay, click on cell A2. Now click cell A42 and insert page break. Okay, simply click on cell A42, scroll down and then we will click on cell A42. Okay, go to the page layout tab. Okay, and then click on page break. Here is break, insert page break. Okay, question is completed now. Question number 3 is that okay, please follow my video and you will done your training by watching this video. Please add me for your complete course. I will handle your complete course. Set the range B5 to K14 as the parent area. Okay, first we will select this range B5 to K14. Okay, we will select first this range B5 to K14. We will select this range and then we will set the print area. Simply click on page layout tab in the page setup group, click on print area and then we will set print area. Okay, change the scaling to 60%. Okay, go to the page layout group and the scale to fit group. You can see scale. Okay, we will set scale is here 60%. Okay, we will set scale is 60%. Okay, this is good. Now clear the print area. Simply click on we will clear the print area. Click on print area and then clear print area. Copy the June total worksheet and position it into the left of the June total sheet. Simply we will copy the June total worksheet. Right click on this June total worksheet and then we will click on create a copy. Move to a copy and then click on create a copy box and then click on OK. Now rename the June total 2 worksheet tab to June first total. Right click on this and then we will rename as this June first totals. Okay, this is good now. June first total. June first totals. Question is completed now. The next question is that select row 5 as titles to repeat on each page. Okay, we will select row 5 and then go to the page layout tab, click on the print titles group. Okay, now we will click on sheet and then row to repeat atop. We will select row 5 and then click on OK. Select column A and B as titles to repeat on each page. Look at the first 3 pages in print preview and then print the worksheet. Simply we will select column A and B first. Okay, go to the page setup group and then click on sheet and then column to repeat a left, we will select these two column, column A and column B. Okay, then click on OK. Print preview and then click on OK. Scroll down and then we will set here 3. Page setup is 3. Okay, first 3 page setup you can see in the question. Look at the first 3 pages in print preview. Okay, we will set 3 and then click on print. Question is completed now. The next question is question number 5. With cell A5 selected, create a table from the existing data except the default setting is equal to A5 to K10 for the data range and my table has headers. Simply click on Insert tab and then click on Table. Then click on OK. Table will be created. On the Table Design tab in the Properties group, click in the Table Name box, tab Totals and then press Enter. Simply click on Table Design tab. Okay, in the Properties group you can see left corner Properties group and then you can see Table Name. Okay, we will have to change here Table Name. We will type Totals in Table Name box. Okay, we will type Total. Okay, this is good now. Question is completed now. Delete the sales first table column from the table only. Okay, we will select this sales and right click on this and delete this. Delete the sales first table column. We will select this column, sales first table column, and then simply delete this column. Okay, first we will select this column and then we will delete this column. Right click on this and delete this. Okay, 1 second, we will select complete column. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can contact me easily on my WhatsApp and email and I will handle your complete course. Go to the home tab and then simply delete this. Okay, click on column C and then go to the home tab and then simply delete this table column. Okay, change the width of column I to J to autofill. We will select column I to J. Okay, and then go to the home tab. In the cells group, click on format tab and then auto fit with column. Okay, type rebate in cell K5. Simply click on cell K5 and then we will type rebate. Okay, type OIT in cell L5. Simply click on cell L5 and then we will type OIT. Sorry, not Q, here is O. OIT in cell L5. Okay, question is completed now. Next question is question number 7. Add a new table row on row 73. Okay, add a new table row on row 73. Scroll down and then we will click on row 73, and then we will right click on row 73, select row 73 first, and then right click on this and then simply click on insert tab. The row 73, okay, select row 73, right click on this, simply click on insert tab. Okay, type 2024-068 in cell A73, click on cell A73, we will type 2024-068. okay, then we will type 6/20/2024 in cell B73, click on cell B73, and then we will type 6. okay, type 2024-105 in cell 112, click on, scroll down and then we will click on cell 112. click on cell 112 and then we will type 2024-105, 2024-105. okay, and then type 6/30/2024 in cell B112, 6/30/2024. okay, this is good now. Question is completed now. Remove the duplicates record in the table using the default. okay, we will select this table. okay, first we will select this table. we will select all table and then we will remove this duplicate record. Simply click on first we will select this table and then click on view tab. One second. Please follow my video and you will done your training by watching this video. okay, we will select this all table first. okay, and then click on one second. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please follow my video and you will done your training by watching this video. One second, I want to see this practice first. Go to the table design and then simply click on duplicate. okay, okay, first we will select this table. click on table and then click on table design and then we will remove duplicates record. Click on OK. 2 duplicates value found and removed. 105 unique value remain. Click on OK. Apply light yellow table style 19. okay, click on table, go to the table design tab and the table style group. okay, apply light yellow table style light 19, go to the lights group and then apply light Yellow table style light 19 is here. Click on this table style and then this table style will be applied on this table. Okay, question is completed now. In cell K6 type the formula is equal to, okay, we will type here formula is equal to if into curly bracket the rate trans dash type. We will type this formula is here. Formula is given in the question. We will type this formula. Trans dash type is equal to, in inverted commas, promotion is in inverted commas into purchase dash price, purchase price into quality multiplying by D3 and here quality multiplying by D3 and 0 multiplying by for dollar sign absolute sir reference value is D3. Press shift and click on 4 button. Okay, into transaction type is equal to promotion commas into purchase. Okay, question is done now. In cell L6 type the formula is equal to, click on cell L6 type formula is equal to J6 multiplying by S6, purchase price multiplying by quality minus rebate. Okay, purchase price multiplying by quality minus rebate. Select the range K6 to K1 10 and then apply the comma style. We will select this range first, K6 to KL1 10, K6 to L1 10, and then we will apply comma style number format. Go to the home tab in the number group, apply comma style. In the number group, apply comma style. Okay, question is completed now. Please follow my video and you will done your training by watching this video. If you do not able to do this course, you can contact me. I will handle your complete course. Show the total row. Select the sum function for the quantity and rebate column. Simply go to the table design tab and then in the table style group option, click on total row. Select the sum function for quality and rebate column. Okay, quality and rebate column, scroll down, and then we will go to the quantity and rebate column. Click on quantity column and right click on this arrow and then click on sum. Okay, now go to the rebate column and right click on arrow and then click on sum. Okay, select column L and then auto fit the column with. Simply select column L, go to the home tab. In the cells group, click on format tab and then click on auto fit with column. Question is completed now. Sort the table in the June total worksheet by sales last alphabetical order. Sort the table in June total worksheet by sales. Click on sales last and then go to the home tab in the find and sort. In the editing group, click on find and sort tab and then sort and filter group. Okay, first we will select this sales last column and then in the home tab go to the editing group, click on sort and filter tab and then total worksheet sales last by alphabetical order. Sort this by alphabetical order. Click on sort A to Z alphabetical orders. Okay, sort the table by OID from the largest to smallest. Click on OID and then go to the sort and filter group and then from we will sort this OID from the largest to smallest. Sort the table by pair tab in alphabetical order. Okay, click on table by pay column and then we will sort this alphabetical order. Go to the sort and filter and E to Z. Use the sort dialog box and add the second level sort by trans tab in alphabetical order and the third level sort by order from the largest to smallest. Okay, go to the home tab in the sort and filter group. Click on custom sort. We will add level and the tab the alphabetical order. Okay, second level sort by trans. Click on trans type and then add third level. The third level is that OID largest to smallest. OID is largest to smallest. Click on arrow and then click on largest to smallest. Click on OK. This table will be sorted. You can see this. I have done this question very well. Add the custom sort level after the existing sort for the department column using the column list. Okay, simply go to the home tab in the sort and filter group, click on custom sort and then click on add level. Okay, time by department and then click on custom list and then we will type list is here electronics. Okay, electronics, collectibles, infants, action figures, board games. Okay, we will tap this list electronics, collectibles, okay, we will tap this list infants, infant actions figure and board games, action figures and board games. Click on OK. Sorry, 1 second. Board games. Electronics. Click on electronics collectibles, electronics collectibles, infants, action figure, board games. We will type here again electronics, comma dash collectibles, collectibles, infant, infants, action figure, action figure, action figures, and board games. Board games. Sorry, I tapped 2 times G. Remove this one. Okay. Board games. Click on OK, and then click on again OK. Okay, question is completed. Now you can see I have done 15 question of this simulation training. It's mean I have done 70% of this simulation, 75% of this simulation training. For remaining question, and if you want to do it for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please help me for your weekly assignments, help me for your weekly quizzes, and help me for your complete course deal. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, all simulation training, and midterm and final exam. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Sandhurst, Blackboard, and many more colleges and universities like accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.